Charlie boy Budgie is a tired boy. He's very tired. I'm making sure that my hair is all nice. Well, he's trying to sort out my hair anyway. Try to see where I'm about to prod him. Oh, his eye. Very nice. Very nice. Baby boy Budgie, cuddle time. Cuddle time? Weird how his wing moves. I wish you had a nice long tail. Hopefully it will just take time. For some reason they clipped his tail feather, and he's still got that little half a tail. He doesn't have his proper one yet. Despite the fact I've had him quite, oh let me think, 2, almost 3 weeks now. Oh, some pruning. How often do Budgie's tail feathers molt then, eh? You'd think I'd notice. Lived with Budgie since I was like 7 or 8, eh? Right. Yeah, so right. 6 or 7. Wow, Budgie cuddles. Time for me to stop recording before people get very bored. Have some preening, please. It's very important that you preen my hair, little bird. No?